Welcome back to MSRRC. We get it back on the bench. We got the Jconcepts Creep. Finally got it painted. Got it stickered up. Represent my name on the back. Get you a shot of the body on it. Yeah, I'm still thinking about doing a 3D grill. I will do some 3D light buckets later on. Yeah. I bought this body here a week ago. I was going to try to have it painted and done by the next day. It didn't turn out that way, but I had it painted but didn't have it finished. I figure I'd get a video out to y'all. I also had another truck. I bought a Axel Kaiser body for my VS410 Vanquish truck with a cap on it later on. Kind of made twins. So, I get both of them in the video. Kind of made them look kind of like twins. Right now, let's do a little overview of the Creep. Alright, let's get some clips off. I have done a little bit of changing up on it. And I'm going to show y'all a little tip. Look. I added some magnets underneath the body here. I glued them, then I taped it so my clips now have a place to put them at. So you can see them right there. Backed all the paint in white. And this is just a CX10 chassis. It's got my 3D printed forward shock mounts, my body mounts I made for it. It has a highest servo in there, HV servo, pretty quick, pretty decent torque. It's got a one winch mounted right there on that body mount. That's the smaller one. Well, my phone quit focusing. The smaller one is smaller than 9.5 inch, but it is run off one of the China 20 amp ESCs right here. And it is pretty strong. It'll pick this truck up no problem at all. It's got SCX-10-2 axles in it. Got hot racing knuckles and C-hubs. Got hot racing overdrives in the front. Hot racing drive shafts. Proline shocks with the brass on spring caps. It's got an Element Enduro transmission with the overdrive. It's got a that's my little battery mount there. I run the little 1800 3-cell litho up there in the front. The transmission backed up with the Mama X Micro with a Home Hobby Devolver 1800 kV. They said this is just a low quality parts to use in it. This one is strong for being low quality. Cheap. I think it was like 38 bucks. My rear bumper mount, which is simple. These here off some older bumpers. I just cut them off because it was too long. and save them and use them for that. The same thing on the front bumper, I made it. It's got a little nut made into a fair lead. Yeah, that's it. I just want to show y'all, especially just show you the body of it. I think it turned out pretty good. Maybe next time I'll give y'all some more on that thing. That's a beast there. Anyway, y'all know the drill. Next time y'all have any questions or anything on comments, leave them down below. You like what you see, hit the thumbs up. Until next time.